Hello, my name is Ondrej. I'm the hardware product team leader here in My2N. On today, I would like to have a look with you at our new beauty, the My2N IP1. The My2N IP1 is the latest addition to our IP intercoms that's mainly intended for family houses, but it can be also used for office buildings. Our goal was to deliver a luxury IP video intercom that impresses the visitor at the main door by a minimalist design and a unique round backlit button. The high-quality components we used are wrapped up in an aluminum body that provides with high durability and resistance to vandals, heavy rain and dust. The unit itself is powered by the Axis ArtPack platform featuring Full HD wide-angle camera offering the WDR, adaptive phase zooming and QR code access. Exceptional clarity and perfect sound are assured by a strong speaker and a microphone that's placed in a special ceiling. Let's have a look at this little one. Upon opening the product packaging, we get a main unit straight away. It's available in 3 different color versions: the bronze, gray and the black. This is obviously the black one, my favorite. Next, we have in the packaging the quick user guide, the certificate of ownership for an easier setup with a My2N Cloud, and the little Torx key that helps with the product installation. Currently, only in-wall installation is supported, utilizing this proprietary flashbox. But you can also look forward to the surface mount installation coming soon. Unlike conventional video doorbells, you can connect the door strike directly to the My2N IP1 and have your door under control at any time and from anywhere, as you are used to with the entire portfolio of the My2N intercoms. Now let's give it a try with a live demo. The most usual case, visitor presses the button of the My2N IP1 installed at the front door, at the My2N answering unit, or the My2N app starts ringing and showing the video preview. Resident answers the call and allows the visitor to enter the property. The My2N IP1 nicely indicates the call status: idle, ringing, in call, and door open, simply by changing the button backlit. The resident can also send the visitor a QR code to enter the house. Or they can use the My2N app to open the door for themselves. As I said, the My2N IP1 is available in 3 color finishes. We offer the stylish bronze version, we also have the decent gray and the eye-catching black version. And of course, a piece of necessary installation item, the flush mount box. That's it for today. I truly believe our clients are going to love the My2N IP1 and I wish it a great success in the residential market. Thank you for watching and see you next time.